Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the stick layout on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you're in the Call of Duty main menus, press the Options button on PS5, or the Menu button if you have an Xbox controller. This will bring up the Quick menu. Use the right bumper to change tabs until you get to the Settings tab. In Settings, select Controller. In Controller Settings, select Stick Layout Preset, and a pop-up menu will show you the list of available stick layouts to choose. Choose the stick layout you want to use, back out, and the changes will take effect. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Call of Duty tips and tricks.